Hey, I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and this is our handling pack bolt-on build-up for all 2011 and newer V6 Mustangs. Now we have 4 great parts lined up with one simple goal in mind: to reduce the body roll and improve the handling here in our V6. How are we going to accomplish this? Well, we're going to lower our center of gravity, improve our sway bar situation, and most importantly, stiffen up the chassis to make the car feel solid and more predictable in everyday driving situations, but most importantly, when pushed to the limits. So now that you know what our plans are, let's check out the parts that are going to help get us there. First up, we went with a very effective live axle mod that will help keep your car's rear end in check. I'm referring to this adjustable chromoly steel Whiteline Panhard Bar. Now the job of a Panhard Bar is to connect and brace the chassis to the actual rear end just to prevent any side-to-side or lateral movement. Not only will this improve our traction by reducing our wheel hop, but it also works wonders in improving our handling. Now this particular bar is built extremely well. It's a simple 2-bolt install, and best of all, it's fully adjustable while still on the car. All these factors make it a great bang for your buck mod. If you're one of the lucky V6 owners out there whose car was equipped with the performance package from the factory, well, then you already know what a great set of sway bars can do for your car's handling. If not, then you might want to check out something like this. We went with Eibach's anti-roll sway bar kit, which will be the biggest factor in reducing our car's body roll. Now this kit is a total upgrade over the factory setup thanks to the 3-way adjustable 36mm front bar along with that solid 25mm rear bar. Now if I were to bet, I'd say this mod alone will have the biggest impact on our car's handling, but it just so happens we have 3 other killer products to go along with it. Speaking of great bang for the buck mods, we lined up a set of these SR Performance lowering springs for our V6. Now we were looking for a mild drop since we didn't want to ditch the low mileage, mint-condition factory shocks and struts on our 2011 here, and these fit the bill perfectly. Now these springs will lower the car 1.5 inches all around, which of course is going to help our appearance, but this is a function build first, and we feel that the stiffer spring rates and lower center of gravity will be the 2 biggest factors in further improving our handling. Now you can't be all about function and not sneak in a little form, right? Well, luckily for us, this 4th and final mod offers a little bit of both. I'm referring to this black SR Performance strut tower brace that we have to finish up installing before we get out onto the road. Now this bar is going to further help tighten up and strengthen our chassis and will help keep the car from understeering or plowing through the turns when used with those Eibach sway bars. Alright, we pulled out all of the stops with this handling pack, and honestly, I'm ready to see if all these parts really did a good job at improving our handling. What do you say we go find some turns, shall we? Alright, so we're out here in the 2011 V6 with the handling pack installed, and we got some great country roads to really test this thing out on, man. And as you can see, I'm not really letting up too much, and the car's taking it, man. We're really flat out through the turns. Body roll is all but gone. Those sway bars are doing a great job. The springs are definitely helping out as well. The car's a little bouncy, it rides a little rougher than it did in stock form, but you know, it's a small price to pay for better handling. Hard right-hander coming up. Swing it in. You just point the car and it reacts. I mean, the Panhard Bar is really planting those 2 rear tires as we get out of the turn, as I stomp on it. And of course, the SR Performance strut tower brace is helping reduce some of that understeer the car had in stock form. So this is probably one of the better handling packs we've assembled. I mean, we've got all facets of our suspension covered. It really shows in results and is a blast to drive. So that wraps up our handling pack here at the 2011 V6. Be sure to check out some of our other bolt-on build-ups as well, where we work on our appearance and really pump up the performance.